Did you know that sometimes doing the right thing can cost you everything you love, but give you something even better? Sarah loved her job helping kids at an after-school program, but when she found receipts showing her boss stealing money meant for hungry children, her world turned upside down. $800,000 that should have bought meals and supplies had paid for fancy vacations and luxury cars instead. Kids shared broken pencils while their director drove a brand new sports car. When Sarah asked questions, her boss threatened to fire her. She faced an impossible choice: stay quiet and keep the job she loved, or speak up and lose her career helping children. Sarah chose the kids. She secretly copied financial records and called federal investigators, knowing she might never work in nonprofits again. The investigation led to 3 arrests. And Sarah? She didn't lose her career. She was promoted to regional director, overseeing 12 programs with the power to protect even more children. Sometimes standing up for what's right doesn't destroy your future, it builds a better one.